Hi, my dear friends, how are you? I was about to make a cake for all my friends, but the truth is, I don't know if I bought all the ingredients. Let's first check what do we need to make an amazing and awesome chocolate cake without sugar and without gluten. Yes, a very healthy recipe. My mom went to the supermarket this morning and she bought the ingredients, but she wasn't sure. So maybe there's something left, okay? Let's look at the ingredients we need. Almond flour, cocoa powder, stevia, baking powder, salt, eggs, butter, and vanilla extract. These are the ingredients, so we just need to see if we have them here. Has she bought almond flour? Yes, she has. We have it. Yes, she has. Great. Has she bought cocoa powder? Can you see it? Do you know how it looks like? She hasn't. We don't have it here. But don't worry, because let me open my cupboard. I have some. Has she bought stevia? I know, stevia is a strange word. It's like sugar, but a bit healthier, okay? Has she bought the stevia? Yes, she has. Okay. Has she bought baking powder? Has she bought baking powder? Indeed, we have it. Yes, she has. Has she bought salt? Can you see the salt? I don't think so. But she knows that we have plenty home. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Great. Has she bought eggs and butter? Yes, she has. We need fresh eggs for the recipe. And finally, has she bought vanilla extract? Can you see it? It's like a tiny bottle. I don't see it here and I don't have it home. I need to go to the store and buy it myself. What time is it? Whoop! It's 5:45. So, still on time, I can go and buy it.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello guys! Okay, so now what are we doing? This is the last concept of the book, the present perfect. We've seen it before. And the present perfect is what we used to talk about things that happened in our lives. We don't say exactly when. So we need to find the underlined words in the coming activities. We have 3 and do this crossword game together. So we go first for this activity here. Let me just get ready with all the markers. Well done. And we put everything here. Now we go. Activity number 1. The present perfect, yes, it's what we use to talk about things that happened in the past, but we don't say exactly when. And remember the form. We have subject plus have and has, and the past participle. We've seen it before. The questions, we put the auxiliary first and then the subjects plus participles. And for affirmations, we say yes, I, subject, have, has, or negations, no, subject, haven't, or hasn't. Let's go and answer the questions. Has she bought almond flour? Has she bought almond flour? Yes, this is the almond flour, but I don't think it's almond. Maybe these two are together. Yes? So let's say yes, she has. And we have has she. So yes, she has. Has she bought cocoa powder? Yes, I have the cocoa powder here. So yes, she has. Sorry. Has she bought stevia? No, I don't see the stevia. No, she hasn't. Has she bought baking powder? Yes. Yes, she has bought baking powder. Has she bought salt? No, I don't see the salt, so no, she hasn't. Has she bought eggs and butter? Yes, she has. Yes, she has. And has she bought vanilla extract? No, she hasn't. Yes. So this is it, a very easy and fast activity. But what do you have to remember? That every time you see the form have or has, plus the subject, plus the verb in its participle form, we need to pay attention and use it in an appropriate way to answer. So has she bought? Yes, she has bought almond flour, or no, she hasn't bought. And you can say yes, she has, or yes, she has bought. Use the same, bought almond flour or bought it. Yes? And this is it. Great. Come on, one more worksheet.